I just got a notification that a package was delivered, so let's go see what it is. I don't remember getting anything that jiggled like that. Box inside a box. This was the free gift, a yarn zip. I got the 9-inch. All of this was a kit that I got, which came with 4 Burnett blankets in the color Forest Sage and 4 in the color Moss. Which also came with this super cute Burnett blanket bag. So cute. I'm gonna be honest, I only got this whole kit because of this bag, because I couldn't find where to buy it separately. And then it also came with some Susan Bates hooks. But obviously, I'm gonna use this yarn for projects, so it's not like it's gonna go to waste just because I wanted the bag. Big box of yarn. Oh, they're dirty. In this box, we have the Burnett Blanket Extra Thick, Galactic. These are all Burnett Blanket Extra Thick. Orion Green, Celestial Teal, and Jupiter Red. Turns out I spent enough to get 2 free gifts with my order. I got 2 of the Lily Sugar and Cream in the Desert Rising. I got 1 spool of black thread and a tassel and bow maker. I'm very excited about this one. Did I need some contraption to help me make them? Probably not. Will it help? Absolutely. And also it was on sale for like $4, I think. So yeah, that's my Yarnspirations order. Very exciting that it finally came. And now Louie has 3 more boxes to chew on.